What's going on, everyone? You already know here at Rocky Mountain, we work real hard to be the place that you need to go to get ready. I have the opportunity to show you some of the way cool and exciting products that just hit our website. These are the things that you're going to want to keep an eye on if you're shopping for any of the go-to products. Today, we've got to start out with our Tusk TM1 foam mousse tubes. These things have been years in the making. Tons of time and development to make sure that these things were exactly what you needed if you like to run mousses. Now, a big thing I will tell you, this feels like 12 to 14 PSI depending on the tire. And the big thing that you need to know when you're shopping for these is on our webpage, in the details, you've got a link that you can click on to get our fitment chart. This is going to be super important because if you're matching this up with the tire, to get the proper feel and the proper fitment and make it not too awfully hard to install, you've got to make sure to get the right size. So if you're on the product page here, be sure to jump down into the details and look over that fitment chart. All right, the next product that we've got to talk about is our Tusk Waypoint tires in some cool new sizes. Now, my favorites that we're going to keep an eye out on here are for the mini moto bikes like the Honda Grom and the likes, and then our TW200 tires. We've got full product spotlights on both of these, but these things are killer. If you're looking for a great tire, whether it's for a mini moto or for your TW200, these are must-have tires. Awesome performance, awesome longevity and durability. These things are killer. Now, the next item that's on the list are a couple awesome drivetrain components. The first thing that we've got to show you is we've now got our chain and sprocket kits that include the Tusk Aero Steel sprockets. If you're looking for a super lightweight steel sprocket that's super minimalistic, yet keeping the strength, these Aero Steels are going to be awesome. Now, we do have these kitted with both our standard O-ring chains as well as our gold X-ring chains. These are going to come in your stock OEM gearing and chain lengths, but these are going to be great one-stop shop kits for your full drivetrain components. Now, the next thing that I've got to show you are these two sprockets from Primary Drive. These are our new Primary Drive aluminum rear sprockets for the KLX 110s. These are going to come in 33, 35, 37, 38, and 40 tooth counts, making it so that you can line up the gearing that you need for your pit bike, as well as they're way lighter. These things are 10 ounces lighter than the stock steel sprockets on those KLX 110s. This is going to be awesome for lightweight. It's going to pump up the power and make your 110 respond better than it's ever done before. These things are awesome. Now, the next thing to keep an eye out for is we've got some new colorways in the Scott Fury goggles as well as their Prospect 2.0s. Now, these new colorways, they killed it. I love the look of these Prospects and Furies. But one big thing that I'll tell you, and the reason why I brought these up, is their older colorways are now on sale on our webpage. They are crazily priced, so you're gonna wanna pick yours up before they're gone. If you don't want the closeout goggles though, these new colorways are definitely sweet and you're gonna wanna check them out. Now, next for you UTV owners out there, you already know every time you go out onto the trails, you've gotta have a spare belt. We've now kitted our UTV billet spare belt carrier kit with our Tusk Pro Torque belts. So you can now get these on the same page on our website, making sure you've got the belt that you need as well as the stuff to hook it up to your machine. This is an awesome kit. Now, the next thing that I'm going to show you are these levers from R&Duro. These things are sweet, but the big thing that I'm going to point out with these is they've got two cool features that I really like. The first thing is their reach adjustment is awesome. They've used this little turn wheel and it's got clicks to make it nice and positive feeling so you know you're making an adjustment. But the other thing that I really like about these is between their clutch lever and their brake lever, both of them use the same main blade. Now, what does this mean for you? That means if you've got one of these, whether it's a clutch or brake lever in your pack, and you break one of your levers, it doesn't matter which side it is. If you've got a clutch lever in your bag, but you break your brake lever, as long as this main section in the center is fine, you are good to take the main lever off and bolt it to this inner part. This makes it easy for when it comes to packing your bike for going out on the trails. Now I will tell you, we have had these levers on our site for a little while, but the new thing here is we've now got them for all those brake tech equipped bikes from Gas. Now the last item that I'm going to show you guys today is this Dynaplug Ultralite tire plug kit. These things are awesome because they don't need to use a ream or any crazy messy glues to plug your tire. This is actually really cool. The way that they use this is it's got a metal end that actually comes out when you're plugging your tire. So you jab this into your tire, and then when you're pulling out the main tool, this plug stays in place. Very cool idea. These kits come with 4 plugs, 1 in the gun and then 3 in the package, and then refills are available separately. If you're looking for a super easy to store and easy to use plug kit for out in your trail pack, this is exactly what you need to check out. All right, that does it for the new products that we've added to our webpage today. Now, when it comes to Rocky Mountain, we are constantly adding new products, so you're definitely gonna wanna check out these videos to stay in the loop. As always, we wanna stay your place to get ready. I'm Trent, thanks so much for watching.